girl. Are you looking at your froggy? Good girl. Olivia will be 4 months old tomorrow. Your pretty dress.
It's okay. I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Good.
I'm okay.
Good.
I'm really okay.
Are you spitting up?
Cool, she's spitting up.
Oh, cool.
Right?
That's not very cool. That's gross.
That's really good.
Hi, pretty girl.
That's not cool. That's cool. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
That's not cool. That's cool.
Hi.
Cool.
Hi. Hi.
Cool.
It's a beautiful girl. Olivia. That's who. Hey. Oh, so sweet. So sweet. Get your clothes on your feet.
Mom,
Yes.
look. Without this thing, Mom, without this thing, it works.
Oh, yeah?
See? Without this thing,
Oh, cool.
it works. I knew it good. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Now you can experience things. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Like the monster.
Right.
Who's a monster?
Should we show your big brother?
Who's a monster?
Should we show your big brother?
Who's a monster?
Here he is.
Who's a monster?
You.
I'm not a monster.
I'm just kidding. And Ryan has on his cast. He got his thumb surgery 4 or 5 days ago. Ryan, can you show your cast? Well, you can see it's really holding him down. The painkillers are really affecting him. All right, crazy. Let's see how big your cast is. Hold it up so we can see. Dun, da, da, da. How does your thumb feel? How old are you, sir?
4.
Tell me about yourself.
I don't really know.
What do you like to do?
Play. Watch movies.
What do you like to eat?
Snacks.
Mm-hmm. Are you a big brother?
You know me.
I'm just teasing.
Huh?
Huh?
What was that sound?
Olivia, she's sounding quite excited. Let's check.
Hey, I like to play with puzzles, Mom.
Oh, yeah?
Do I?
Mm-hmm.
Who wants to play a puzzle with me?
Not right now, honey.
Raise your hand if they want.
Later I will.
Sure. Can I watch my movie?
Sure, hold on. She's loving that frog. She's so excited about it.
I want to see on a video camera. Mom, I have paper.
No, kids
I
can't
will
play.
tape everything.
Oh, yeah?
I'll tape you, Mom.
No, that's okay. Thank you.
Tape yourself then.
I don't want to.
Who do you want to tape?
Just you guys.
Tape me, Mom. Wow, wow, I'm okay.
Careful of your cast. The sling's falling off. Ooh.
Ta-da! I'm backwards.
Very careful.
See that?
Somebody's a ham.
I can sit on my jammies. And then go back to backwards. Then forwards. Then backwards. Look, Mom.
All done.
Look.
Oh, she's starting to get upset. Okay.